Okay, so we have the machine is fired up. We did our power up restart. Our next operation here is to let's create a program manually at the simulator. So for us to do this, we have to be in the edit mode. Right there it says edit. So I'm in the edit mode. If you're not in the edit mode, like say like right now it's in memory. If I come down here to where those modes are, list program, zero set, handle jog, MDI, memory, edit. I have to select edit, and it puts me in the edit mode. For me to start a new program, I have to go to F1, and a dialog box opens up, right? So for this to work, you have to select these cursors, right? So you would think you would go up, right? Well, that works in the one dialog box. Say we come over here to. Usually, when you turn on the F1 button, this is what you see to start. Okay. If you were to think to go down to go to program, you'd think you'd just cursor down to program, right? Using the down arrow cursor, but that doesn't work. You have to use the right cursor to cursor down to it, and the left cursor goes the opposite direction. Okay, and once you get to the second dialog box, that's when the up and down cursors work. So using the down cursor, I can go to this, and then you'll see create new program. So I'm gonna go ahead, highlight create new program, hit right, and then it'll say here enter program code. Okay, for you to do that, it's gonna go down here to the input line. And what do we start our programs out with? The letter O, and it automatically puts that letter O in for you. So I'm gonna go down here and I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'm gonna hit enter, right or enter. Okay. When I do that, it creates my new program. Now, if I want to insert the name of the program, I want to cursor over to this area here. If I was to type anything and hit insert, it's going to insert it right after the black cursor. Well, my program number, I usually like to have that all by itself. So I'm going to cursor back over to the end of block statement there, and I'm going to go down to the parentheses and type in, day 1. Day space 1 space LATHE. Close the parentheses, hit the end of block, and then I'm going to go insert, and what I typed here will go here. Okay. So my next thing to do is I'm going to use a G28U, U0 and W0. So I'm going to type in, this will send my tool home. If it's not home already, it's going to send it home. Okay, so I'm going to go G28, U0, W0, and then I'm going to look at what I wrote. Oh geez, I did W3. Well, I don't want W3, so I'm going to go here to the cancel. The cancel acts like a backspace. Okay, so see if I hit it, it just keeps, I keep hitting cancel and it keeps going back. So I'm going to go back to U0, W0, and the block. So that's what was written. When I hit insert, it'll pop it in on the next line. There we go. My next line of code could be a non-executable command, and I'm going to say 80 degree. So I did parentheses, 80 degree, space, right hand tool, space, TOOL, space. Well, that's probably good enough. Go parenthesis, and a block, insert. And I'll do another non-executable command, and I'll say face, space, and if I want to get the orange or the yellow here to work, see the and button, or the and, it's above 7. I go to shift, and I hit the 7, and I'll get the and statement. Go to space, TURN, close the parenthesis, end block, insert, and there you have it. Okay, so then I'll call out my first tool, T101, end block, insert. All right, and then I just keep writing the program like so. Now if there's anything I want to change, like say I want to make this tool number 202, so I just highlight the tool that I have, and then I'll say T202, and if I hit the alter button, it'll alter that like so. So if I want to go back to tool 1, T101, alter. Okay, so then that puts me back to T101. So my next line of code is usually the G97 S, I'm going to say 1000, M03 to turn the clockwise rotation on, end block, insert. Okay, if I wanted to change this to something different, you would just say S100, alter, and I changed it to 100. If I wanted this to be G96, I just come over, cursor over it, G96, that's what's in my deal there. I hit the alter, and it alters it. But I want it to be G97, so G97, alter. Hey, it said bad code. So I go back over here, I backspace, hit alter. Boom. Okay, so you get the idea. If there's anything I ever want to delete, I just highlight it and I hit the delete. Okay, if I want to insert that M3 back into where I just deleted, if I hit insert, it's going to insert right after this. Okay, if I want to insert on the next line, I got to make sure that I'm highlighted on the end of block. So I'm going to go M03, and then I'm going to hit insert back to where I was. Okay, so that's pretty much how you use the insert, alter, and delete on the edit functions there. And there you go. All right. Now on the next video, I'll show you the couple more lines of code here so that you can see the graphics. All right.